Video, I'm going to teach you how to replace Slack with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, centralized workflow where conversations, updates, and action items all live in one place, so nothing gets lost between chats and tasks. First, let's move your team messages into ClickUp Chat. On the left sidebar, click Chat, then select + New Chat. Create a chat dedicated to your team or a specific project. This essentially replaces Slack channels, but with the benefit of being directly connected to your work. Give your chat a clear name and set expectations in the description so everyone knows what belongs there. Use it for quick discussions, daily coordination, and anything that doesn't need to be tracked as a task. Next, shift task-related conversations into the tasks themselves. Open a task and use the comment box to communicate with your teammates. Mention people with the @ symbol to make sure they're notified. This replaces those back-and-forth Slack threads about specific work and keeps everything tied to the exact task it belongs to. It also makes it easier for anyone joining later to see the full context, attachments, and decisions without hunting through old messages. For company-wide updates or announcements, use ClickUp Docs. Click Docs, create a doc for your updates, and share it with your team. This replaces pinned Slack messages with something more structured and searchable. You can maintain a running changelog, add headings for clarity, and keep one source of truth that everyone can reference. Encourage your team to check the doc regularly so important information doesn't disappear in a busy chat stream. When you need someone to do something, create a task instead of sending a request in chat. Click +Task, assign it to the right teammate, and add all the relevant details in the task description. This eliminates those "can you do this" messages and ensures accountability. Clear descriptions reduce back and forth, and everything is trackable from progress to completion without relying on memory or scrolling through conversations. Finally, make sure you're staying informed by turning on notifications. Click your profile in the top right corner, choose Notifications, and enable alerts for task comments and mentions. This replaces Slack notifications and ensures you never miss an update tied to your work. Adjust the settings to match your preferences so you get the right signal without the noise. And that's how you replace Slack with ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.